Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for joining me again. I got a lovely unboxing for you today, guys. You already know it is your boy Ola Opulence. Welcome back to the Opulence Cave. We're gonna get straight into the unboxing. But before we get straight into the unboxing, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you punch the like button and comment in the section below. Okay, guys, let's get it. This one is a fan favorite. Jeez, it was quite a walk for me to get this. As you can see, I got two boxes. I'm not going to be able to do like an in-depth because I don't want to make this video long for the toddler size because I got another box for my little man right here. But I'll briefly show you what that looks like. But mainly, we want to talk about the adult size, which is what I got here. My box is a little bit dinged up right here, as you can see. Man, what can I say? This, when it came out, I believe it was on the 19th. I struck out on the Nike app, but the good thing was by that time I was on my way to the mall to queue up. There was a lot of people. In fact, I wasn't even thinking this was gonna really be hard to get, but for some reason I was just like, you know what? Let me just go to the mall and just queue up for it, just in case people show up. I'm just gonna go early in the morning and I'm just gonna go straight and see if I can get it. Anyway, long story short, I got to the mall. There was a lot of people. There was a lot of queue. Oh my goodness! Thank God I went to the mall because I struck out on the Nike app, and it was crazy because I was both trying to get it on the Nike app at the same time trying to get it here. So you already know, guys. You see the Gamma Blue Jumpman right there with the black box. Of course, this is a size 10 in my size right there. You can see it's a size 10. So, man, to be honest with you, personally, in the past, I haven't really been a big fan of Jordan 11s, but this colorway, I really, really like it. This is, believe it or not, in my collection, this is my second Jordan 11. Slowly is really, really growing on me. So hopefully I'm going to be able to pick up some other Jordan 11 in the future. I do have the Jordan 11 Rare Airs because I wanted to complete the Rare collection. It's somewhere up there. I will be doing a unboxing and unfeed for you in the future for that as well. But without further ado, let's get straight inside the box. You already know you have your 23 right there in those Gamma Blues. And when you open it up, you can see you got the carbon fiber tissue paper right there. And then when you open it, oh my goodness, that's it right there. Oh my God. Man, I'm not gonna lie. Like, this is fresh. I see why a lot of people really, really want this. So, guys, let's check this out. You guys ready? One, two, three, bam! That's it right there. The Jordan 11 Gammas. Oh my God. That is really, really, really nice. Man, I love this. This is nice. I see why a lot of people are really after this. So let me bring out the other foot right there. Ooh, this is really nice. I don't think there's any extra laces in there. There isn't. There's a YDM sticker right there as well. You can see it. So I'm gonna put it to the side. There's nothing else apart from the box, and then we can talk about the materials and the sizing. Wow, this is nice. So going straight to the bottom right there, you can see the Gamma Blue uh, front foot right there. You can see that panel, and the bottom foot as well has the another panel right there in kind of like a horseshoe, a backward horseshoe that the Jordan 11s are known for. pattern right there at the bottom of the heel right there. So and I also in the midfoot as well, you have that translucent, I want to say blue rubber right there as well, and you have that traction as well. And then you also have the carbon fiber right there in the middle. You can see that that looks very very nice, you know. And if you go to the midsole, you have the mix of the black, mainly black on the midsole right there, but it has like a little blue as well on the midsole coming from the bottom. So it's black and the blue right there. So, but mainly it is a black midsole all the way around. And going to the upper, you have the black pattern uh, leather right there, which is mainly all black, and that is looking very shiny and very very nice. And also going to the shoelaces, and the mix of the black fabric on top of the uh, where the shoelaces are. On the tongue, you have a shoelace, like the fabric shoelace right there. And also you have the Gamma Jumpman and a yellow Jordan right there. The Gamma Blue Jumpman and I believe Jordan written in yellow. Okay, right in the middle. And on the back, you have that 23 written in yellow, and also on the back to the right side, you have the Jumpman in the Gamma Blue right there, and you have the leather surrounding that. Okay, so that's the back and the top of the back. It has a leather right there, and that is a 23 in yellow. Okay. And on the inside, it is a all black shoe liner in there. And it's got the let me take this shoe. Ooh, okay. You got a paper in there. And then I can get to this. All right. So you have uh uh the sock liner right there. The which is really, really nice. It's a white one, and I believe it's comfortable. On the inside is a black with a yellow Jumpman, and you see the sizing right there that says a 10, men's US. And also for legit checking purposes, I wanted to show you the label inside so you guys can see what that label is looking like right there. You know, just in case you want to use for legit checking. Okay, so that's what the image looks like on the inside, and then the size tag is just like a paper, like a cloth label. It's not directly printed on the shoe or anything like that. For me, this is gonna be officially my second Jordan 11, and I am really really digging it. Um, what can I really say? Like, it's a black shoe, and for sizing, just go true to your normal Jordan size. For me, it's always a 10. 10 is comfortable for me. And you know, that's the perfect size for me. So whatever is your perfect size, just go with your perfect size. But I actually forgot, I had to come back to show you guys what the toddler size looks like. This is a size 8 in toddler size right there. You can see it, and it's actually really nice. It looks a little different in terms of the sole. This is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, bang! You can see it right there. It's really really nice and cool, like, you know, for your toddler. And I decided that I was gonna get the same for my son, so we can actually match and, you know, hit the streets with it. So that's his size, and hopefully it looks really nice on him. I will in the future. I'll be doing like a fit for this. I'll be putting together like a 3 or 5 fit different outfit to kind of like pair with this to style it. And you guys can tell me what you think. So guys, today that is mainly everything I got for you on the Jordan 11 Gamma Blues. Nice, man. This shoe is, it's a really beautiful shoe. Right now on the resale market, I think it's pushing like 400, 450 around there somewhere. I don't know if it's going to go up or it's going to come down, because I know from what I heard, the stock on this shoe is quite high. So maybe it might come down, it might not. I really can't really say. But in my opinion, it's a really good shoe, and it's very, very worth it. So guys, that's all I got for you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment in the section below. Let me know what you guys think about, the Gamma Blues. If you're going to be trying to get it, if you did get it, and if you like it or if you don't like it, just let me know in the comment section. So that's all I got for you. Don't forget to stay tuned for the on feet. I will be doing an on feet for you guys. And until the next one, all opulence out.